What's up, everybody? Model Airport Nation here, and today I have an amazing unboxing for you guys from none other than JHWings. Go check them out, link in bio. Been waiting a long time for these releases, so let's go ahead and take a look. JHWings here, guys. Now, starting with first part of the lineup. Disclaimer, I did just open this package, obviously, to make sure everything was inside correctly, so everything was and is still well packaged. Highly recommend JHWings for your model airport needs. Finally have the Korean. All right, we finally have the Eva Air Hello Kitty livery. We have two variations of it. Two different 777s here, guys. So that's super cool. Next up, we have the second Hello Kitty livery. We'll put it that way. And then we have another A350-1000, finally. I'm trying to build my Hong Kong airport. Slowly but surely, guys. You guys don't see much, but it's coming together. So we'll get these out of the wrapper here, obviously. And then I think we got a couple more in here. Oh my gosh, we do. Another Hello Kitty. You guys are going big on the Hello Kitty because I haven't had much Eva Air in my collection, or even like the Hello Kitty planes. So they're pretty cool. We'll put them on the respected airports. Oh boy, guys. I've been wanting this one since it was even announced like a year and a half ago. We finally have it, guys. The Warner Bros. 787-10 Dreamliner. Look at this thing. Incredible. And then that's it. So that's for spacing there. Amazing, though. I'm glad that he added this in here because that helps a lot. So yeah, guys, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 model unboxing here. Let's get these out of the wrappers so you guys can see them. All right, everybody. As you can see here, they are all out together here. Absolutely amazing. A lot of pink and Hello Kitty this time here, but pretty cool. This is huge in Japan, especially, and everywhere else too. Eva Air, Taiwan, China, you name it, guys. So super cool. I guess I didn't know where to start, guys. We have the A350-1000 here, registration BLXI, flying past Kai-Tak, flight where it all began. So it looks like it did a special flight path here. I think the box art does kind of matter though, unless it's like a really special plane that you're really trying to get, then I would say go for it, but definitely box art does matter here. Let me go ahead and just get this out of here. Wow, look at that, guys. Got my collector's card in there too that I will be redeeming on the website for points. NG Model Exchange, guys. Super cool. Let's get this open quick. Guys, so here is the Flying Past Kai-Tak Cathay Pacific A350-1000. Amazing details on this aircraft here. NG Models, guys. Definitely the top of the game here. Wow. Just amazing, lots of detail here. Probably one of the best models I've ever got as far as quality and detail goes. Really excited to have this in my collection, guys. I don't got much time right now, so let's move on to the next aircraft. Right, guys, next up we have the Warner Brothers 787-10 Etihad Airways. Super cool. I think the Superman one's my favorite on the other side. Look at this beautiful aircraft. So much detail went into this here. Look at that, guys. Again, highly recommend JHWings for all your model aircraft needs. Wow. Honestly, guys, you have to kind of see this in person just to, understand it and see it. This is incredible. I hope they fly to LAX someday, but, this will be mainly just flying to, I believe, just my JFK airport for now, but we'll see in the near future here, guys. Again, lots of detail on here. You really kind of have to get up close with it, just like the comics looks like. Wow. And the bottom, too. You guys can see. Let me get that focus for you. Incredible. this is definitely a, you know, unboxing for the books here. Let's get over to the EVA airplanes. All right, guys, we have our first EVA Air aircraft here. Sanrio characters. That's the name of this livery, I believe. Super cool. I know these aircrafts, all of them, but these Hello Kitty EVA Airs are like really iconic. And when you see them in real pictures flying around the world, they just look so cool. And this thing is a beast. Look at the engines on this thing. Now I know all, you know, most, you know, 777, you know, scale models look amazing with the engines and everything, but this one, I don't know, guys. I don't know what it is. Maybe that's a newer NG mold or something, but or maybe I just don't have many 777s from NG. You know, probably got about, I mean, I probably got about 10 now, but that's a lot, I guess. But guys, look at this thing. It speaks for itself. This thing's a beast. I hope they don't retire these things like for a long time, because the 777s are just really cool, especially the 300s. So yeah, really cool, guys. I'm honestly in shock right now. Let's get to the next one here. All right, guys, we have our next EVA Air 777-300. Registration Bravo 16740. Scenario characters here. Super cool aircraft here. Check it out. Get a better view for you guys here. What an amazing aircraft here. The detail on the side. This thing definitely sticks out wherever it decides to fly to. Definitely going to be having these at my JFK, LAX, you name it. I'll be doing an SFO in Seattle in the future too, guys, so stay tuned. This thing is also it is a freaking beast. I'll put it that way. All right, the two EVAs right here, guys. And now let's get to our third EVA. Yep, third EVA. And our final aircraft of this unboxing will be the Airbus A321-200. Hello Kitty livery here. Super cool. I do plan to put these on my my Hong Kong airport as well. I know they're not mainly at Hong Kong, but they do fly to Hong Kong, so that's what I mean by that. Let's go ahead and get this open. And you guys, here is the Hello Kitty A321. What an amazing aircraft here. Super detailed, definitely stands out wherever it goes. Room for a stand on the bottom. This is NG models, guys. Lots of detail. Really impressive NG models lately, guys. They are blowing it out of the park. I wish Gemini would do like a point system too. That would be nice, because we could redeem for other models as well. Kind of like NG does. And if any other model company is listening, I think the points-based system is definitely the way to go. Anyways, guys, here they all are. All 5 here. Look at that. Super cool, guys. I'd like to thank you guys again for watching today, Model Airport Nation here. Showing you guys these amazing 1/400 scale models here from JHWings and NG models. You cannot go wrong with any of these. Go check them out on the website. These do sell out fast. More planes on the way, guys, so stay tuned. Absolutely amazing. I'd like to thank you guys again for watching today and coming to my unboxing, and we'll see you guys in the next video. JHWings link in the description, guys. Model Airport Nation, happy collecting.